Hi, I'm Chris with CaseMaster. Today we'll be going over custom reporting in CaseMaster Online. Okay, let's get started. I'm logged into a demo database in version 1.2 of the application, so it probably looks a little different from yours, but the same features should apply. Custom reporting in CaseMaster is extremely robust and allows us to view and export nearly every field in the system. If for any reason there's a data field that you can't find, just let us know and we'll be sure to add it. Custom reporting can be accessed from the menu under Tools, Custom Reporting. The initial screen lists the custom reports that we've already created, with options at the top to view the system reports, which are reports that everyone can edit, execute, or delete, or user reports, which are specific to the currently logged in user. We can also add a new report using the button at the top right. Each existing report has the option to build or edit, execute the report to view the results, or delete the report. We'll start by clicking the Add New Report to create a new report. At the top, we give our report a name. We'll call this one Demo Report. Below that, we have our field sets, which describe the different objects in the database. Each field set contains all of the fields that are related to that object. Currently, all custom reports are based on the case file entity, so we'll add the file number, as this is a key element that most reports need. To add a field to the report, we just double-click the field name, or click it once and press Add Fields. We can also add multiple fields at once by holding down the Control key while we select fields, and then clicking the Add Fields button. We'll add a few fields such as case type, client code, and from the review area, date due, and client code. To remove a field, we right-click it in the grid and select Remove Column. By right-clicking a field, we can also see a context menu of options. Visible, which determines if a field is visible in the report. This is useful if we want to filter on the field, but don't necessarily need to see it on our report. Wrap text. This makes sure that fields with lots of data in it wrap, so as not to make our report too wide. And sort ascending-descending. We can opt to sort the data by any field in any order. We can also move fields simply by dragging them, so that we can reorder them how we like. Here, we'll move the review code next to the file number. To filter on a field and limit the results returned, we click the filter link below the field and now have options to specify a filter. The first option is not equal. Then we have equal, is not null, meaning the field has a value, is null, meaning the field has no value, and like, which allows us to filter on a part of the field as opposed to the entire value. With date and currency fields, we also have less than or equal, greater than or equal, and a between option to specify a range of values. We'll filter for a specific review code, NFE, new file entered. Notice how the filter below the field updates to what we just entered. We can also do more complex filters with date fields. Here, we'll tell the report that we only want to see reviews with a date due less than or equal to today's date. Next, we can execute the report to view the results. From here, we can use the grid options to copy the data, export the results to Excel, send the results to PDF, or print. If we want to view a file from here, we can simply click the file number in the grid to load the file. When we need to go back to our report, we select Tools, Custom Reporting, and our report is listed at the bottom. If we are content with our custom report setup, we can save the report by clicking the Save button on the build screen. We can give it a different name and set whether it's a system or user report. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have additional questions, feel free to contact us through the contact support icon in the application or through our website. Thanks, and have a great day.